Welcome to Quick Safety Tips from Frontline. The goal of a job hazard analysis is to find potential hazards in a job and prevent them from causing an incident. Although they are not required by OSHA, these analyses are very helpful for process improvement and creating a strong safety culture. When doing a job hazard analysis, the first step is breaking down each role into its separate tasks so you can better understand the hazards it poses. Then, make a list of all the hazards you find for each step in the job. Rank the list in order of urgency and brainstorm ways to control the hazards you've identified. The next step is to create action items for implementing your control measures. Document each one as you complete it, ensuring to check back later so you can assess its effectiveness. At the end of this process, you should have a record of your findings, your action items, and your assessment of those action items. Return to each work task periodically to complete a new job hazard analysis and to ensure that continuous improvement remains a top priority at your site. To learn more about hazard control, visit our website at fldata.com and subscribe to our blog.